Oh, that's kept a bit low. Hasn't gone down the leg side too much. The Australians like it. The man in red's important, and he says not out. So just enough doubt in his mind. It's a lovely shot. De Kock has really developed his game terrifically. Beautiful. Strong wrists. Really nicely played. A real little nice solid flick outside the off stump. Oh, he's played that nicely. That's a good shot.
Well, he's started about it.
Well, there's an edge. That's going to run away nice and fine, and it's going to be the second boundary. Not as big as the first in the over. Two noises. Just a half shot from Hazelwood.
Well, we heard two sounds, and so did the umpire. His signal runs. But Steve Smith is going to have a little bit of a dabble and see what happens upstairs.
Lovely shot. Good work from Rousseau.
Given him. Now is he going to review it? Yes, he is immediately. Getting out on the front foot, but given out. Coach Justin Langer, not as anxious as the South African counterpart, and that looks dead. Hit in line, and that's going to be confirmed.
Good shots through. Big short cover.
Oh, he's a long way down. Hashim. Good piece of fielding though by Steve Smith, the captain.
Bowl straight up. First delivery back to Villiers. That's it. Another one. Kilton Noyle. Straight through Bernardine. Yeah. It's away. Outside edge. Much needed runs. A much needed boundary.
Got him. It's kept low. Hazelwood straight through. This is really good stuff from the Australians.
And there we see it. Straight. Just kept a little bit low.
Beautiful shot. Really good shot that from Bihardine. Nicely played. Short. And hammered away. Nice shot from Bihardine. So there's four.
That's a good shot. Just some width outside the off stump. Miscued. Should be taken. It is.
Oh, that's nicely played. Good shot. Nicely played. 6 runs. Good work from Bihardine. Brings up 50 as well. That's his 5th one-day international 50. Nice job for Bihardine. Yeah! Bowled him. Didn't really need to do that. Steve Smith. It's not, it's Coulter-Nile. They've swapped again, so he's underneath that one quite comfortably. So Maxwell has got a couple of wickets pretty smartly.
Gone. Nice shot from Aaron Finch. Wow, there's some authority in that. Through him, right through him.
Great delivery. Usman Khawaja maybe looking for a little bit too much over there, not playing straight enough, but fabulous bowling by Kagiso Rabada.
Good shout, and raises the finger. Is he going to review it? A bit of discussion, yes, they're going to review this one. Going across the line. Is it clipping? Once it is, it's gone. You're right, it's not clipping, it's hitting. Joel Wilson reaffirming the decision that he made earlier. Finds the gap for 4. Over the top, big hit, gone for 6. Just past short cover. Also with the big dive in vain. That's typical of that aggression. Loud appeal.
Well, this turns, but did it turn enough to miss the stumps? Umpire's call not out looks to be the final decision. Not enough for the ball hitting that leg stump.
Another one. He's given him this time. Now the Aussie's going to review. Off the mark immediately with 4.
Cries of catch. It should be over the top for 6. Could be out. It's not. That's good connection. That's nicely played. There is protection, but not quick enough. JP Dumedier there couldn't scoot around the boundary. Got him. Nicked it. Up goes that finger. Tahir. Oh, that's nicely played. Good shot. He's a very good sweeper. There's Aaron Finch. Nick. Got him. Wade gone. Rabada. Here's a star, this lad. Whenever he gets the ball in his hands, something seems to happen at good pace. That one, 145 k's per hour, and he's picked up another wicket.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful from Rabada.
Straight under the bat. Just clipping the leg stump bail.
Nice shot. That sweep shot has worked wonders for Aaron Finch throughout this inning so far. Give it in.
And it's through. Oh, good piece of fielding.
That's nicely played, and it should go all the way.
Good shot. Good way to end the over for Josh Hazelwood.
That's through the gap.
Good hit. 4 more. Yes, he's given him, and that's it. Victory for South Africa. Bonus point as well. Sweeping at everything, and in the end, perishing in the same way that he prospered.